KP classes dedicated to excellence.
Hello everyone, this is Arit Chandra from KP Classes, and today's short video is about the opening and closing dates for the admission into various IITs. Now that the GATE result is out and the COAP portal is also live, students have started applying into various IITs, and in this context it is very important to note the last dates to fill up the application, because all the rounds of COAP offers are based on this application itself, and you have to individually apply into various IITs without missing out the last date. So let me very quickly in this short video take you through the dates of each IIT very quickly and briefly. So to start with, firstly IIT Roorkee, there are various M.Tech courses, various interdisciplinary M.Tech courses, and also M.Arch and M.Plan course at IIT Roorkee. So you have MURP, M.Arch and various interdisciplinary courses including M.Tech in Environmental Management of Rivers and Lakes, M.Tech in Drinking Water and Sanitation. Now many students have also have a query as to what is the qualification other than B.Arch, particularly students of B.Plan, what all are they eligible for, and what is the selection criteria for all these courses. So we'll put out a video, so do stay subscribed to this channel. Not only the important dates, very soon you'll also get a video wherein we'll discuss about individual course and their academic educational qualification required and what all qualifications they are going to consider, and also the admission procedure. Will there be only interview? Will there be only gate based selection or gate plus interview? We'll have a course wise discussion. Also do stay subscribed to this channel for that information as well. So you at Roorkee also have M.Tech in Disaster Mitigation and Management, M.Tech in Transportation Systems and Management, M.Tech in Geospatial Engineering. These are the relevant courses, interdisciplinary and course specific, that is for architecture and planning, which are relevant from gate architecture point of view. And if you're interested in any of these courses, the application portal for IIT Roorkee is already live from March 27th. The last date to complete the application, the application portal will close on April 21st at 5 o'clock in the evening, 5 p.m. Do not wait till the last date. And because even though you remember the date, the closing time also is important, and it is different for different IITs. Sometimes it is till midnight, sometimes it is till 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the evening. So instead of waiting till the last date, you should always complete the application at least few days before the close of the application portal, and there can always be technical issues on the portal's end as well. So do complete your application at the earliest. The last date for IIT Roorkee's application of any of these interdisciplinary and M.Arch M.Plan courses is April 21st evening 5 o'clock. That's for IIT Roorkee. Moving on to the next one, that is IIT Delhi. At IIT Delhi as well, from gate architecture specific courses. So M Design at IIT Delhi is based on SEED, but I did include it into this set of courses because the opening and closing date for the application of M Design is also same. At IIT Roorkee, at IIT Delhi, you have M Design Industrial Design. Other than that, you have interdisciplinary course like Master of Public Policy, which is a relatively new course at IIT Delhi. You also have M.Tech in Construction Engineering and Management. You also have M.Tech in Transportation Engineering at IIT Delhi. And you also with Gate Architecture are eligible for MSc Research in Transportation Safety and Injury Prevention. These are the various courses relevant for architecture graduates, architecture and planning graduates. Now specifically which of them are for planners, as I said, we'll have a separate video on that course wise discussion and educational qualification. So if you have a gate architecture score and if you're interested in any of these courses at IIT Delhi, you need to complete your application before April 7th. The last date, so the application portal was live from March of 22nd. The final close of the final application closing time is April 7th, 4 p.m. as of now. All these dates are always liable to change, but you should not wait till the last date. Like I said, April 7th, 4 p.m. is the cutoff date for the application. The tentative dates for test and interview, if the reason why I put a star even in the academic brochure as well, it is mentioned that they might take a test and an interview. It is also possible that the selection would be based only on GATE. Now the update in that regard will be given from IIT Delhi's end once you complete your application, but do complete your application before April 7th. If there is any test or interview, that will be scheduled between May 14th to June 16th. However, you'll get an update on that regard after you complete your application before April 7th. So that's for IIT Delhi, the closing date. date. So make sure you fill up the application for IIT Delhi before that closing time of the admission portal. For IIT Bombay, you have various courses including, so there are mainly interdisciplinary courses. You don't have MArch or M.Plan at IIT Bombay just like IIT Delhi. You have interdisciplinary courses like M.Tech in Technology and Development, M.Tech in Geoinformatics and Natural Resources Engineering, M.Tech in Educational Technology, and M.Tech in Climate and Sustainability. If you're interested in any of these 4 M.Tech interdisciplinary courses at IIT Bombay, also the application portal is already live at the time you're watching this video. The application portal was open from March 25th. The final closing date for the application portal is April 11th, 5 o'clock in the evening. So do complete your application ahead of even before April 11th itself, so that you're on safe side in completing your application on time. Then you have IIT Kharagpur, which has MArch, M.Plan, and also some interdisciplinary courses. So you have M.Plan, that is Masters in City Planning. You have MArch, that is Sustainable Built Environment course, and you also have M.Tech in Infrastructure Design Management at IIT Kharagpur, which is relevant for architecture graduates and also people with GATE architecture score. And you also have M.Tech in Technology Innovation and Entrepreneurship, which is going to be an interdisciplinary course. If you're interested in any of these 4 interdisciplinary courses, MArch M.Plan course of IIT Kharagpur, ensure that you complete your application before 18th of April. The application portal was live from 1st of April. The closing date for the application portal is 18th of April. Now the time is not mentioned in the on the official website. However, do not take a risk of waiting till the last date, like I always say. So 18th of April 2025 is the last date for IIT Kharagpur's application. And the final few set of IITs in which, so if you have observed all these IITs which we have discussed, including IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, and even the IIT Kanpur, Madras, and Guwahati, the application portal is live in all these IITs, and the closing date also is mentioned for all these IITs, and that's the reason we put out this video, so that you don't miss out the application date, the final cutoff date. So IIT Kanpur, with GATE architecture score, you can apply into the M-Design course at IIT Kanpur. The application portal was live from March 28th, and the closing date for the application is April 16th. The time is 2 p.m., not even 4 or 5. IIT Madras has 2 relevant courses for architecture graduates with GATE architecture paper. Now these courses include M.Tech Civil Engineering with Building Technology, Construction Materials and Management, M.Tech Civil Engineering with specialization in Transportation Engineering. These 2 courses are accept GATE architecture score with GATE architecture graduates, so with architecture graduates, BR graduates. The application portal is live from 27th of March, and the closing date for the application portal of IIT Madras is 25th of April 2025. And finally, IIT Guwahati, wherein you can apply for M.Tech Infrastructure Engineering Management and M-Design. However, for M-Design, you should have seed score, not GATE. IIT Kanpur does accept GATE architecture score for M-Design admissions, but not Guwahati, wherein they only consider seed score for M-Design admissions. The application portal for IIT Guwahati is already live from 21st of March, and the closing date for the application portal is 15th of April. So the closing date for the application for M-Design can be varying also at Guwahati. This is particularly for M.Tech admission. So if you're interested to apply with your GATE architecture score into M.Tech in Infrastructure Engineering Management at IIT Guwahati, then you can apply before 15th of April, 5 o'clock in the evening. So that's with respect to the important dates for various IITs and the closing date for the application portal of all these IITs. If you are applying into any of these IITs, ensure that you apply before. You should also ensure that you have all the documents in place which you have to upload, and also complete the application on time without waiting for the end moment. Hope this video was helpful. Do stay subscribed to our YouTube channel for further updates on various courses from IITs, NITs, and various other options you have as architecture and planning graduates with GATE architecture. Thank you.